with autism. His name is Sangida Seti. And today we've come here, it's World Autism Day. We've come here to celebrate with fellow parents with children with autism, and also to create awareness about autism, because so many people don't know that there is autism. And today we take this chance just to create awareness about autism. You know, every child has a unique talent, and that is what should come out very clearly, and parents should help them to improve and make them better.
And we started to notice that there were lots of problems. But we were very lucky because we moved to France and we met somebody who diagnosed her with autism and who put us onto a very special program which is called ABA, the Applied Behavioural Analysis Program, where you teach a child to do something and they copy you. So you teach them to point, you show them cards of happiness and sadness and appropriate behaviour, and she learned from all of that. And with this intensive intervention before the age of 3, we